Hi, my name is Susan Frame and I'm the Landscape Plant and Turf Management Instructor at CVTC. Today we're going to be talking about how high to mow your lawn. Some people don't think much about this, but it's very, very important. So you're going to have settings on the lawnmower, and on this one there's notches. So if I put it at 1, that means it's going to be 1 inch, 2 is 2 inch, 3 is 3 inch, and it goes up from there. So what we want to do is, on turf grass, the grass will grow about as high as you keep cutting it. So we recommend anywhere from 3 to 4 inches, and that means every time we cut, we're cutting it so that it's at 3 inches or 4 inches. The reason you want it high is however much grass you have on the top of the soil, that's how far down your roots are going to grow. Turf grass doesn't grow very deep at all, so the higher we have on the top, the healthier the lawn will be. So we can actually take a ruler and measure, and that gives us an idea that when we're cutting, after we cut, we want it to be 3 inches. When we talk about different types of cutting methods, what we want to do is we cut 1/3 of the plant at any given time. So if we want it to be at 3 inches, we let it grow to 4 inches and then just only cut 1 inch of it off. But it is really important to mow high. Once you do that, you will actually crowd out the spaces for weeds to grow and you will have a healthier lawn. So the more you grow on top, the deeper your roots are going to be. And so if you can mow high and not mow like on a weekly basis, you're going to have a much healthier lawn. If you'd like more information about the Landscape Plant and Turf Management Program, visit cvtc.edu.